In this video, I'll show you how to open a SoFi checking account. Start by visiting the SoFi website or opening the SoFi mobile app. Click Get Started or open an account to begin the application. Next, create your SoFi account by entering your email address. For example, create a strong password, and click Continue. After that, enter your personal information. As your full name, enter your date of birth, home address, phone number, and your social security number or other required identification details. Now verify your identity by following the on-screen instructions. SoFi may ask you to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, to complete the verification process. Next, choose Checking and Savings if you're asked to select an account type. Review the account features, terms, and disclosures, then agree to continue. After that, fund your new account if you'd like. For example, choose Transfer from another bank, link your existing bank account, and enter an initial deposit amount such as $100. If you prefer, you can skip this step and fund the account later if that option is available. Finally, review all of your information and click Submit. Once your application is approved, you'll be able to access your SoFi checking account, manage your money, and begin using your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to open a SoFi checking account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.